Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to install or get Crypto.com application on your iOS device. To download and install Crypto.com, go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, open up your App Store and then type in Crypto.com in the search box. Once you find this application in the search result, tap the Get button and your installation process will begin. Crypto.com is a popular platform offering various cryptocurrency related service. It offers trading, staking, and earning rewards. It is also designed to help users manage and grow their cryptocurrency portfolios through a user-friendly app. That is how you should be able to get the Crypto.com app on your iOS device installed. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.